Hey guys, Fishkeeper9 here, and today I got a new fish tank, well, another fish tank, and yeah, this is about 10 gallons, so it has a lot of fish in it, but they are all hiding in that log. And then there's one right there, inside there. So yeah, and I have a filter, and yeah, I really wish I could. Well, I'm gonna look and search for a background. I just put my fingers in there. A background. So yeah, look at the fish. I don't know what type of fish that is, but it's just like it was in my creek, so yeah. I have that fish. I have like 2 or 3 of those, and then I have minis, like little minnows. As you can see, those are like baby minis. They're like minnow fly, whatever you call it. And yeah. So yeah. That's all I gotta say, guys. So if you liked this video, then like and subscribe for more fish tank stuff, and maybe I'll do a fish tank like. Let's hope for 50 likes or something like that. This was a short video. So yeah, guys. Bye. 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 Just stay with that.